Alright, gang, we outside, man. We finna do this. Matter of fact, I'm about to take the chip out of the Jeep, turn it into rear-wheel drive, and then we finna eat this pavement up, man. You already see we got that SRT thing right there. Yes, sir.
But to me, it was just a way to eat. I couldn't sleep some nights, had to make it happen. Fucked up the bag a couple times, I was out here capping. When I gave the bitches back out, so it don't even really matter. I don't feed the tattle, I can feed the man. I'm trying to get on the point, I can feed the man. I need a land, see, I'm the one that can land when I need a hand. So what, when I just grind, no rest. Granny told me dream till I make it happen. So I go on grind trying to make a way. Put it all together like Phil Jackson. Then I turn into Kobe and I make the play. I never care what a hater say, or give a fuck how a nigga feel. I pray to God before he take me away. He let a young king run up the mill. And I ain't perfect, don't judge me. And never switch if you telling me you love me. Dear God, take the things that ain't for me like teeth keeps, nigga, I'ma bang for my glory. Big headed like my pops, but I feel the big dreams. Remember when I be the big dreams, thinking to myself, be me, thinking of family. God with dreams bigger than mine, you ain't get to see them. Big cool. It was all a dream. I used to take trips for them peas, run them back to the land like, nigga, what you need? Had the line going dumb. You was thinking with some deep, but some deep. Had to make it happen. But I gave the bitches back out, so it don't really
Are y'all not entertained, man? You know what I mean? That SRT thing over there, man, we out here spinning shit, man. We gotta go though for the police come, y'all. We gotta get the fuck up out of here. All right, bro, I'll holler at you. Yes, sir. All right, drop. Alright, gang. Woo! Had to give y'all just a little bit of cut up. Cut that light on. Had to give y'all just a little bit of cut up, man. You know what I'm saying? Nose running. Yes, sir. Try to get y'all a little drone footage, man. It was not easy trying to keep up, man. I got some decent footage of him, and I gave him the controller when I was spinning. And I don't know, you know, how good. Let me put my seatbelt on, y'all. Give me a second. Woo! All right. Man, my nose running bogus. Little snotty nose, little boy. Little snotty nose. That boy, a little snotty nose. Hey y'all, we hit Mexico with it. Mexico! We going straight through that. Hope it stay green. Come on, bro, what is you doing? You in the middle of the street. That's how accidents happen. Yes, sir. But yeah, gang, man, just a little cut up, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something for the people. No, I ain't gave y'all no car content in a while. Appreciate y'all for still rocking with the guy. It done got, all right, there we go, focused. Appreciate y'all for rocking with the guy though, man. You know, like I say, man, we got a lot more car content coming for y'all. Stay patient. Believe in the process like we've done. We've completely bought into this channel, man. Hopefully y'all have too. Y'all see the progress, y'all see the dedication, and man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Gang, gang, gang.